Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a quote on a particular project. So you can see my projects that I have listed here. So I'm going to click through into this one, Test E-commerce, Company E-commerce. And you see this tab that we had before with the sort of project details, etc. So I've tabbed through to money, and there's an option here that says create quote or invoice. So I'm going to create a quote. And if the customer's given me a purchase order number, I'm going to put that in, so 123, and its subject is for the e-commerce site. Tax rates, you can see you've got standard rate of 20% up here. These are all set up in your My Account section, where there are other videos showing you how to do that. So let's give it a description. So creating e-commerce site for test company, and let's get the spelling right, and how much it is, so how many units there are. So there's just the one in this case, and the price is £2,000, and you can tick to say whether the amount includes VAT or not, the tax, and it does. So you can see it's automatically worked out how much that's going to cost, including VAT. We could also add an item if we wanted to, so let's just say we're going to buy them a domain name as well, and that one domain name, and that might cost £10, and add that, and you can see that the total builds up as well. So these over here we've got some additional information, and this is the project background that I added in earlier in another video. So you can determine whether you want that to show up on the quote or not. I just generally untick these so they don't appear, and you can also have some additional text to go on it if you like. So I'll just say thank you for letting me quote this job. And then that's it. Once I'm done, I just hit Save Quote. Now you can see the quote has been saved as a draft, and there's the information that I put in. You can also see I can send the quote directly to the customer. So there we are, there's an email. I can email the details out to them, and there's a link that they'll click through and they'll be able to download it. I can edit the quote if I want, so go back in and edit the information that I put in. Oops. And then I can mark it as sent if I want. So once I can mark it as sent and send it directly to the customer. Or I can create a PDF version if I want. That'll just come down into my downloads box. And then if I want, if the project's been accepted, I can then also raise an invoice, or I can also delete the quote. So I'm just going to tick that as mark sent. Yep, okay. I do want to. And you can see it's now changed from draft to sent. If at a later date the customer says to me, yep, that's fine, go ahead, all I do is click accepted and say okay, and now it's changed to accepted. And that quote being accepted will also have an impact on the dashboard, because you'll be able to see I had 2 leads going out, and I now have 1 quote accepted. So there we are, it appears on there now on my dashboard. So that's it. That's how to set up a quote and to send it out to a customer. Thanks very much.